saying that you are profiting off of the death of Tingo's father.
With the allowance of my attorney, can I just say this, Maggie?
No, it referred to it.
So, no, first of all, I was Kelly Khumalo before Senzo Meyiwa. I did not know who Senzo Meyiwa was until a friend of mine, Lucia Mtiane, explained to me who he was. Nobody knew who Senzo Meyiwa was until he was attached to the brand Kelly Khumalo. So, really, really, I have nothing to gain. I've had nothing to gain with either his wins or his losses. Nothing to gain.
You found out in your relationship that he was married. Why did you want to continue with it?
I did not continue. He dropped his relationship to be with me.
Your lawyer has also maintained that you want your day in court.
Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? My daughter's father was murdered, and nobody deserves that. My life has been in danger since day one of the murder, and the people I love have been in danger, and that includes my attorney. So how would I not want my day in court? Because I believe with everything that if the court or the judge or the public wants to know anything, I'm one of the people that needs to say something. But however, the public does not understand the procedure of the court proceedings. I cannot just get on TV and speak whichever way that I want.
In your promo, you say they hate me because they wanted me to die that day. Who is they, and why would they want you dead?
And I've said this to one of the interviewers, and I'll say this to you again. Watch the show.
Tell me how you feel about the justice system in South Africa. Do you feel victimized? Do you feel empowered? Do you feel that it protects victims of violence?
See, we have a problem in our country. And this is not just about Kelly Khumalo as the musician, but this is about an individual in the pits and darkest place of wherever it is, where they lose loved ones and justice is not served. And I once said something about this in my Instagram page, and to my surprise, I had a lot of people who were saying, Kelly, we support and agree with you, because we are some of the South African citizens that have been robbed of justice in this country simply because for some reason the law is not playing the part.
I was Kelly Khumalo before I met Senzo Meyiwa. Nobody knew who Senzo Meyiwa was before he was attached to the brand Kelly Khumalo. Those are the shocking words that were spoken by Kelly Khumalo at the ENCA interview titled Kelly Speaks Out. Kelly Khumalo has outraged people on social media for saying that Senzo Meyiwa was a nobody till he met her. Kelly was expected to speak about the Senzo Meyiwa's murder case, but she said nothing. Instead, she ended up promoting her Showmax reality show, which is expected to premiere season 3 soon, you guys. Now, do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.